What's going on, fellow engineers? Thanks for checking out this video. So in this video, I actually have this lamp here and this dresser that it sits on, and the dresser is actually crushing the cord that is plugged into the wall for this lamp. So I'm going to show you a quick way on how to fix that. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's the dresser from a different angle, and so as you can see down there is the cord that the lamp is plugged into, and as you see the dresser is actually pushing up against the cord here if I push it all the way in. So what I want to do is to prevent this cord from becoming damaged any further. As you can see, it's kind of already bent, and man, I need to clean behind here too. And so what I want to do is prevent the cord from being permanently bent or getting so bent to the point that it actually breaks off. And so what I did is I had some scrapped plywood or 2x4 wood. This is actually a 2x4 wood that I used in the garage project. And so essentially I'm just going to put it here. And you need something that actually will fit the dresser that you have. And so I'm going to stick this one like here. Or better yet, put it this way, and that way it stops. And so what will happen is when you push this up against the wall, and so that block of wood will actually hit the wall and will save your cord. Now you can turn this, the other way or whatnot, just depending on how much room you want to have behind here to prevent the cord from getting crushed. But as you see, it's making once I move this cord out the way, it's making a, additional buffer space here so that there's always space between the wall and the dresser, and that the cables or anything else that's behind here is not getting crushed from repeated bumps of the dresser against the wall. Alright, so that wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop those in the comment section below. Also, come back next week for a brand new video. If you can't wait till next week, you can check me out on Instagram and Twitter at almostengr. And also, you can check out my website at thealmostengineer.com. So until next time, peace out.